Officers, led by Detective Mira, take charge of the investigation, subjecting Seth to interrogation. While questioning him about Nate's disappearance, the detective becomes suspicious of Seth because the details he mentions does not match with what they have found. In the ensuing days, Holly continues her ongoing manipulation of Seth's mind, saying that they are meant to be lovers because they both share a common pleasure of killing people. He tries not to fall for her mind games, but she keeps on making it hard for him. She continues to talk to him with love and even tries to seduce him just as a part of her manipulating strategy. At one point, she blackmails him to prove his love to her by cutting off one of his fingers. Seth adamantly refuses to do so and chooses to walk away. Right then, Holly declares that she is no more than a pet for him and asks him not to come back to her again. Seth